What's up guys? How are you doing today? My name is JC and I'm here today to talk to you some important information that you must know before starting taking an amazing and all-natural product that I have discovered and I have been using for a couple months called Meticore. Have you ever heard about Meticore? So, Meticore is a product all natural I have been using for 4 months and I got the best results ever. You can imagine is how it works. It's simply amazing. No matter if you have tried any diet before, if you have tried any exercise or other things, I'm pretty sure that Meticore will help you out to lose weight. One important note about it, the first thing is to know where you're buying your product. Meticore only sells the original product on the official website. So to make it easy, I'm gonna leave here on the description box of the video the official website, the link. So you just need to click on the link and you go straight to the official website and you can see all the product and all extra information that you must know. This is a really important thing, guys, because first, when I'm starting searching about Meticore, about this product, how it works, I saw many websites selling this product, but only the original one is the trustful one. So pay attention. But what is Meticore? Meticore is an all-natural supplement that helps you out to eliminate weight. It's a Japanese herbal supplement. I think that everybody knows how famous Japan is for your herbal medicine and all your herbal products. And based on that, these products have no side effects, 0 side effects. Everybody can take it from 18 to 80s. It's so easy to use it, and they have a very good quality and also FDA approved and is certificated. So it's good, it's safe, and you can take it. That being said, it's very important also they use correctly. You need to use every single day. Personally, I like to get my Meticore in the morning with my breakfast. I get the supplement with water, I just mix it and drink. It's so tasty, it's so good, but you don't forget, take every single day. It's so important you keep this. Taking every single day, so you're gonna get the best results you ever imagined. It's also very important that you use other things with your Meticore, like if you like to exercise or do other things, will help you more to lose weight. And once everybody has a different body, a different type of body, of course it works different for everyone. For me, I got the best results on 4 months, but for you it could be in 2, 3 or more months. Okay, so don't give up at the beginning. If you don't get any results, the good part of Meticore, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the product or if you are not satisfied, you can just get in contact with them by phone or sending an email, and then we'll get back to you your money. So this is simply amazing. That saying, I hope you had enjoyed my opinion. Meticore, it's a good product. I'm a real person like you, and I hope you had enjoyed my opinion, my real testimonial about Meticore.